everyone. Today's video is to show you how to print this nice photo panel here. Okay, first tips is how you see this is the photo panel. When you receive it, you get it from the box. It will be looks like this. You see the aluminum insert is packed into the photo panel. So the tips number one is how you take this aluminum panel out from the photo panel. Okay, instead of trying to push it in this way. So the tips is that you can push here. Okay, like this. So get this frame out, and you can easily to get this aluminum insert out. Okay, and next step is that you need to tear off the protective film. Okay, so for all the aluminum insert, it's the most important thing is that before printing, you have to take off this protective film. Okay, and I think all the die sub users understand the aluminum is very easy to print, but how you would like to do how-to videos for these easy print panels. So the key for this is the printed paper. So it's very important for you to have a template to do these designs. So we have the ready templates. If you need it, you can ask to our sales, or you can download on the below links. Why the templates is very important? Because you can see here has different gaps. So you need to put the photo at the specific places, and then you will be free to, like this, you will be very easy and free to put the aluminum insert whatever you want. Do not bother or worry that it will ruin your design. Okay, like this. So make sure the aluminum panel is in, this part and this part, the leafed edges is equal. That's it. So then we are ready to print. To print the aluminum panel, the printing temperature is 180 degrees Celsius, and the time is 50 seconds. Okay, so it's very easy. Okay, let's wait the final printing result. Now time almost up, and this is Galaxy heat resistant glove. Okay, you need to prepare this glove. Oh, see. So this is why I did not use the Teflon sheet. So that's very important. If you do not stick the aluminum panel onto it, you have to put an Teflon sheet. Otherwise, it will stick at the heat platen to have this kind of problems. Okay, now it's finished, and the next step is it's hot. So we need to leave it for about a minute to let it to be cooled down. And after it cooled down, and we are ready to install it. Now it's cooled down, and you see how nice it printed. And you can see here is the border is not printed well, or not very well, but doesn't matter because the frame will cover it. So next, let me show you how to install it. It's the same way. You take the aluminum sheet out from here, and then you put it back. You put it back, and then get the frame back. Now we're ready. A finished photo panel, and you see all the design looks very well, and you can put it onto your desk if you wish. Sorry, I put it into the wrong direction, you can see. So the direction is very important, okay, to it. So before you put this aluminum panel into it, you need to check the direction back, okay, and then we put it back. Now we're ready. See, it's finished and looks very nice. Okay, hope today's video will help you understand better and know better about these nice photo panels, and it's widely used for home decoration or office. Okay, if you have any suggestions or any ideas, please do not hesitate to share us. Thank you for watching.